Hi everyone, this is a demo to teach you how to set up a website account for the app Down Dog. I'll also be teaching you how to customize your yoga workout and showing two features of the app during the workout video when that comes. So for starters, Down Dog is an app for smartphone users, but they have a website version as well, so that's what I'll be showing you today is the website version of the app. The app is for yoga instruction and it provides new yoga classes for all levels. It also was rated #1 yoga app by companies like Wall Street Journal, BuzzFeed, and Best Products. So yoga technology really has been developing, and I believe that Down Dog really is an effective app for yoga guidance from experts because there's pictures and videos, and it's just really clear on what they are teaching through the app. So let's get started. First, I'll be showing you how to make an account. So when you're beginning to make an account, you can either do your Gmail, Facebook, or email and password. So I'm going to make an account with my email and password. So I'll use my JMU account, and I'll just make a password. And then you say, yes, I'd like to create an account. So once you get into the app, the first thing that we're going to discuss is how to customize your yoga experience so that it's perfect for you. So the first thing that you want to choose is the level. So you can either choose intro to yoga if you're a beginner. If you're semi more than a beginner 1, you can be beginner 2. If you're intermediate, intermediate 2, or advanced. So I am definitely a beginner in yoga, but I'll go with beginner 2 just to mix it up a little. You also choose what type of yoga you want. So if you are going more of the full practice, quick flow, no floor, or restorative, I'm just going to go for the full practice. You also have boosted options that you want to add to it. So if you were feeling, low back opening, back strength for the day, a twist, whatever you think needs to be worked on the most. So I need some more back strength, so I'll put that in there, and then I'll press select. And then you go through how long you want this to be. So let's say you just need a really quick workout. You don't have much time in your day, so we'll do 15 minutes. And then you can go through the More tab. So this tab, it gets even more specific. So you can choose what type of voice you want to hear.
Let's start in a child's pose.
So they have examples.
Separate your knees as wide.
They have examples for every person, and you can kind of choose the voice that works best for you or you feel most comfortable hearing. So that was Karina that we just heard.
Your mat, and bring your big toes.
This is Carlos.
Let's start in a child's pose.
Mars.
Let's start in a child's pose.
Zaya.
Let's start in a child's pose.
Let's start in a child's pose. Let's start in child's pose. Release your knees wide and
I think I like Mars, so I'm going to go with that.
Let's start in a child's pose.
You also can choose the music that you're feeling. So they have all these different types. So I think a little spiritual might be good. And then you can choose your pace. Again, I'm a beginner, so I'm going to go with slow. You can choose your instruction. If you need more instruction, you can do full explanation. Default does pretty good explanation. And then these last 3 are for more experts. And you have more breaths and silence involved. But I will be going with full explanation. And then visuals are at the end. So whether you want a video of the person showing you the moves, or if you'd rather have an image, or you really just need the voice, you can choose and customize that as well. So I like the video the best, so I'm going to keep that. Now you're ready to go, so you're going to press start. And then you always have to agree to this because they just have to have this health disclaimer. So you can press save password or whatever, but I'm not going to do that. So here is your workout. So you need to click to begin.
Let's start in a child's pose. Separate your knees as wide as your mat and bring your big toes together to touch. Then reach your hands out in front and settle your chest down towards the mat. Relax your forehead and soften your...
So that's just a little quick preview of what the video would be like. But one great feature of when you start the workout is that there is a music button on the top right corner. So if you're not feeling that song, you can skip it, and they'll do another song that was spiritual like we chose. So
Soften your face.
this is a different song.
Begin to arrive.
You know, I'm not feeling that
Start
either.
to deepen your breath. As you inhale, feel the air draw all
And
the
so
way
that's another
down
one.
to the base of your rib.
And then another cool feature is the video settings at the bottom right corner, right here. Sorry there for a second. You can choose if you want English pose names or the yoga name for it. So, for example, it tends to go away if you don't click on it, but if you'd rather have, or both, I want to know this is child's pose, but it's also called this in yoga terms. So you can kind of customize that as well. You can also see that the timeline is there, and you can also have the countdown for, how much longer this workout is. And this feature also shows you how to exit. So if we decided to exit our workout, we just press the settings button, and now we're going to exit. And yes, after 34 seconds, we are done with this workout. We just couldn't do it. So click yes. And today, no, we're not going to resume our practice because this was just a tutorial, so no. So that is how to work Down Dog with a few features. I hope that you understand now how to use the app, and now I hope that you want to make an account and learn new poses. I think this app, personally, is really effective because it is for all levels, and you have someone narrating, and you can visually see them in the pose and how they got there. And it's really cool how you can customize your music selection, and you can even choose the voice of the narrator. That's really cool. And you can choose the time if you want extra boosts. It's just really customizable, which I think is really awesome, especially for a workout when everybody has different levels and different aspirations for what they want to work on with their body. So yeah, I thought this was a great app, and I hope everyone downloads it. Thank you.